chicken, onion, carrot, bread, mayonnaise, mango powder, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, lemon. Let's make the filling. Cut the bread size in 2 pieces. Take 1 cup of water and add salt to it. Dip the bread and squeeze it. Put the filling and make a roll. Rolls are ready to fry. Deep fry the rolls. Bread rolls are ready. Let's serve to Abu. For serving. Abu, this is for you.
Mashallah, mashallah. Very nice, Ibrahim. Daily you are cooking, so many different and delicious variety of things for me.
Yeah. This is the bread roll, and this is sauce, and this is
Okay. Let's taste. So, what do you prefer? From which I should taste? From the sauce or mayonnaise? Sauce? Okay. You want to try first?
You eat.
Okay.
Then it's simple also.
It's crunchy from outside and it's very soft. And it's chicken inside?
Yeah.
Wow! It's chicken and lots of veggies are there. It's really yum. Just try. It's really yum.